guys, it's Adrienne here. As you can see from the title, I have a StitchFix box that I got in the mail yesterday and I didn't open it so I could film it today. I'm very excited. This is the first StitchFix that I have ever gotten, so you're going to get like my first impressions of what doing StitchFix is like. So if you don't know what StitchFix is, you can get a box as often as you want, but it's $20 per box. That's the styling fee, and you get a box of clothes that's picked out by a stylist that's assigned to you, and the $20 styling fee can be put towards whatever clothes you end up keeping, and then whatever you don't like you can just ship back, which I am very interested in because I do not like shopping. I'm just very impatient and I don't like spending time like shopping if like someone, but I at the same time want to dress nice. So I'm very interested to see what this box has. However, I've also been told that like the first box is kind of not iffy, but like they're trying to figure out your style. So yeah, so let's get started. I already opened the box so that I wouldn't have to open it on camera. The first thing is the return label for any clothes that you don't want. I really don't want to look at the prices because I want to see how much I like the clothes first. All right, so here it is. Wow. Wow. Okay, I don't want to rip it, so first thing is this striped, oh, it's like a dress. It's like a striped dress, and it's like it's not like a cotton, it's like more of a woven material. It's from Market Spruce. It's really cute. I don't know if I'll keep it, but we'll see. I'll try it on at the end and I will see how it fits and if I like it or not. Okay. The next shirt, oh, this is really cute. This is like a flannel, but it's like a nicer flannel. It's more of like a silky material, and it's black, green, and red. So it's kind of like Christmas colors, which Christmas is over, but I've actually been kind of eyeing. Someone I know has a shirt that's like this. It's like longer, flannel-y type, and so this is really cute. I'm excited to try this on. Okay. The next thing is this gray sweater with this like stitched on the back. This is cute. I'm not like the biggest, like this would reveal like some skin, and like I like shirts that I can like wear for work and wear just day to day, but it's like really simple. I don't know how I feel about this braided back, if you can see it. If you like had your back in it. This is the back, so your back would be like kind of bare in there. We will see. Okay. Okay, this is like an army green sweater. This is really cute. This is really cute. I really like these cardigans. I just bought one from Target that's like a darker gray, and it like just covers my butt, but I just washed it and it kind of shrunk, so I'm kind of sad about that, but it looks a lot like this. This one's a little thinner, but it's still like a knitted material. I should also say, when I ordered the StitchFix, I really wanted to try a pair of joggers, and I really wanted to try a pair of overalls, and I think something else. But those are the two things, which I hadn't gotten. And the last thing, oh, These are joggers. These are cute. I don't know how I feel about this, like, so this is the butt. And this is the front. I don't know how I feel about like these pocket stitches or on the back. Like I've tried jeans like these on and I just never never think these are like very flattering on me. And this is like the jogger. But they're from BBJ. I'm going to go try these on. We will see what I like and then I'll go over like the prices of everything and what I do end up keeping. So here are the joggers, the green joggers, and then this like kind of flannel, silky kind of shirt. I think these I'm just not the biggest fan of. I don't really love like the cut. Like even as joggers, they kind of are on the short side. They do fit me really well. I was kind of concerned that like sometimes my sizes are different depending on like the brand. I think this shirt is really, really cute. I've always liked the shirts that like cover my butt. I think this is really cute. Yeah, I think I'm gonna try this on with a pair of jeans and then I'll decide from there. Okay, I put this shirt on with a pair of jeans and I'm liking this a lot more with the jeans. Here's the braided back gray shirt. I don't know if you can see the back. It's not as like revealing as I thought it was going to be. It's really cute and I really like the length. I like the longer shirts, just like the other, like the plaid shirt that I tried on. It's not like my absolute favorite. If I had to choose between this and the plaid shirt, I would probably pick the plaid shirt. But this is cuter than I thought. I don't know how I feel about the bow, just like hanging from my butt. So here is the sweater. It kind of looks brown on camera. I really just feel like it's a small, which I'm normally a small, but this feels like it's like swallowing me. I don't know. I just don't feel like it does anything for my shape. I also have the sweater that I have. I don't know. This one just seems like even my arms, it's very long. I do have short arms though, so that may just be me. So here's the last item from my box. It's just a like striped kind of knit navy blue and white dress. It's like a shift dress. I have two dresses that are kind of like this. They're not striped, they're solid, but they're like almost the exact same shape. If anything, I think those fit me better. So I'm gonna open this now. I didn't look at it at the beginning because I just kind of wanted to get like, ooh, it's Christmas feeling. The actual names, okay. So this cardigan, it's called the Kaylee Textured Open Cardigan from Pink Clover. Oh, and the note from my stylist, it says, "Hi Adrian, welcome to StitchFix. I'm so excited to be your stylist and get to know you over time with each fix I style. To help you do so, please be sure to try everything out today and then let me know how they work out at checkout, or how they work at checkout. Since you mentioned you wanting to try some joggers, I was inspired by your Pinterest to select this pair similar to the one you pinned by Boom Boom Jeans. If I have a picture, I'll put it here." I don't remember what I pinned. The olive base is great for the office or weekend. Pair with your staccato top and pop on a dark brown booty to complete your look with a stud earring. On weekends, your market and spruce dress is a fun way to incorporate some pattern with your pink clover cardigan layered over for warmth. Pop on your favorite leggings and tall boots to complete the look. I can't wait to see how these work and would love to hear your requests for the next fix. Cheers, Audrey. Honestly, like this is like very on point to my style. Like I love this like classic cardigan-y. I even love the color. Like I'm a very like basic color person. It just didn't quite fit right. So, oh, this is $38. That's so cheap. This is next. Oh, this Alberta lace up back knit top. Lace up back knit top. This is $44. That's not bad. Oh, the joggers, the Vancouver Twill jogger. These are $48. It's a Market and Spruce Brita t-shirt dress. Is $64. That's a little pricey, but. And this is the Alexander Jordan top. It's $42. Cute. These are the like outfit ideas. She honestly did a really good job. Like all of these things are like very like my style. Like I would definitely wear them all. I don't think I will buy them all, but I think I'll definitely be getting this. This is really cute. So I'm gonna try and put out new videos every week. So just click the subscribe button so you can get those on your homepage feed or